Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be working with Hairvivi's frontal wig. First of all, this wig was the bomb.com. They actually surprised me with this because I've never worked with a fake scalp wig before. And watch, this wig comes fully customized. It's crazy, but this is the packaging. The packaging is really cute. They gave me the wig, of course, and I got 2 alligator clips and a rat tail comb, and of course an edge brush. Guys, so this is what the wig looked like fresh out the box. I did absolutely nothing to it. It looks bomb.com. Freaking the hairline is plucked already for me. The knots are bleached. The fake scalp is underneath the lace, so it literally looks like scalp. Okay, you have to do nothing to this wig at all. You literally just have to put it on, and that's it, and melt the lace and go about your day. So guys, I thought I was recording myself cutting the lace off camera, but I wasn't. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna install the wig. The glue I'm using today, I will put the link, the name of the glue in the descriptions. I'm not sure what glue it is, I'm sorry guys, but yeah. So the first thing I do, I obviously outline my hairline so I can know where the glue is gonna go. You don't want to put too much glue, and then you have to try to get that glue off. Nobody has time for that. So I apply, I think, about 4 coats of glue because I wanted this wig to stay on for at least a week. Not 4, I think I did actually, I'm sorry, I did 3 layers. Not 4 layers. I did 3 layers so my wig can really stay on and not shift and go anywhere. I could have wore this wig glueless, but glueless is more maintenance. So I'm like, we're gonna just, you know, glue it down. Cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers, all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers, all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. You guys see me, I'm just cleaning off the line off my hairline so that doesn't affect my install. I didn't want the glue to dry all the way because I was kind of in a hurry. I had to go somewhere, so I had to just lay that lace right down. And it didn't get completely clear, but guys, don't be like me. Make sure it's completely clear before you drop that glue. It won't, sometimes it could poke through your lace, but in my case, it actually dried through the lace, so I wasn't really worried. I knew it was gonna dry, so I wasn't worried, but don't be like me, don't do this. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers, all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Spend all of our money on Fifth Street, I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Broadway and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up.
Okay, once I'm done making sure my lace is in proper position, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the hairs. I'm going to use my baby hairs. Guys, I swear to God, this part is always hard for me because like I can't see. I'm blind as hell and I'm trying to see what I'm doing and I cannot see this part. But you know, we're gonna cut both sides, keep it going.
Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan.
Guys, so I went ahead and I used my liquid mousse to spray down my edges because I want it to look sleek by the time I'm done doing my hair. It's a little trick that I do. I use my liquid mousse for that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm laying down my baby hairs and I'm using Nairobi because I like foam better than edge control. But you can use both if you want to, but I prefer foam because it looks softer when you're done.
Why don't you take me back now? Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see.
Alright, so I went ahead with my hot comb because I want to make sure everything's as nice and flat and sleek as possible. You know, that's what a hot comb does. Then I also went in with my wax stick to make sure any flyaways will be tamed down, even if I don't think there's any flyaways. But yeah, for this styling, we're gonna do body curls. I love some body curls. And the natural hair texture is straight, and watch how flawless these curls come out with straight hair.
Take me back to Manhattan, Manhattan, baby. Take me back to Manhattan. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street, I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Broadway and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah. All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftop.
So this is when I was done curling this unit, and then I finally did a comb out and it looked so good afterwards, because you know you can't leave it like this. Like, I don't like when people leave their curls like that, but the body, it's just the body for me. Mind you, I told you guys it's straight hair and the hair curls so good. This is such a beginner friendly unit for females that don't know how to plug nor know how to bleach, because you know everything comes nicely done for you. It's recommended. I actually recommend this wig a lot. But thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video soon.